Let's make tortilla. You only need a pan and it just takes 35 minutes. We need 3 cups of flour. 1, 2, 3. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/4 cup oil. 1/4 cup. And 1 cup of boiling water. 1. Grab your fancy spoon mixer and in speed 1 start mixing. Just mix it for about 1 minute. It cools off a little bit to have this texture. Now it is ready to massage. Now I start massaging. The dough should feel warm, not hot. If it is hot, give some minutes more. You're just cleaning off. After about 3 minutes of massaging, it should look like this. It should be very smooth, not sticky at all, and looks like a ball. So this means dough is ready to take a nap. Now cover it and let it rest for 15 minutes. Sweet dream. It's been 15 minutes. Uncover the bowl. Queen looks like this. She had a good nap. Put it on a slippery mat so it doesn't move. Flip the bowl. Just shape a circle and divide it to 4. Like this. Then divide each piece to 2. Like this. Now grab each piece. Just shape a ball by putting all edges into the center like this. It is the back. Then put it on the surface and just rotate like this. Now you made a very beautiful ball. Grab a plastic bag and put the balls into the plastic bag like here. Now make the rest of it. See how cute it is? And done. It looks like this. Now grab a bowl, add a little flour and also a little flour on your surface. Take each ball, dip into the flour like this. Then start making a surface by hand. Then take anything to roll like this. Rotate it. Do it again. You can stretch it as much as it doesn't tear up. See how thin it is? Gorgeous. Dancing like this. It was that much easy. Now you're done. I just put it on the baking sheet to do the rest. Like this. And the last one, look at this gorgeous queen. Let's go and bake it. Now heat your pan over medium heat and add each tortilla to the pan. I have a towel ready here. See the gorgeous bubbles? So cool. It should take about 30 seconds for each side. Now just flip it. Isn't it so cool? Perfect, it is ready. Put it on the towel and cover it and do the rest. Look at these beautiful bubbles. Wait. Cool. For this one, I like to add a little cheese here. Make it delicious. So just flip it over it like this. That would be so yum. Look at this. Amazing tortillas. Look at this. Very easy. Took only 35 minutes. And the cheesy one. Wow. Let's try it. It is so delicious. So good. It is so perfect. I love it. Look at the cheese. It was that much easy. It was delicious, perfect, gorgeous. That's it.